Hello. A shock to the system for us this week. After the mild week we've had, it will feel bitterly cold today and tomorrow. We're already seeing a covering of snow. There are warnings out galore from the Met Office, but some amber warnings come into force mid-afternoon onwards for the snow and the ice. The reason we've returned to this Siberian easterly wind, and it's a strong wind, near gale force, really buffeting western areas in particular, and just blowing those snow showers far west as well. So across northern and eastern parts of England, further south we have the remnants of a weather front, and that's turned to snow as well. So there could be a few centimetres lying, particularly in the gardens and off the roads, but it's becoming icy out there. There could be a problem with some snow as well, starting to pile up and blow around. Temperatures are some 8 to 10 degrees lower than they have been recently, and you add on the strength of that wind and it really does feel bitter. Wrap up warm if you're heading out and about today. So the amber warnings, which is where we think we'll see most disruption from snow, the most significant amounts as they come in thick and fast on that easterly wind, is across northern England, the Midlands, Lincolnshire, across to the Welsh borders, the south and the east as well, and then through the night, still uncertain about the extent of the more widespread area of snow across southern England and Wales, as opposed to the showers that are just going to keep packing in thick and fast on that wind, just topping up and blowing around. This is the area you can see they're concerned about through the evening and overnight towards tomorrow morning as well, and it will stick. Temperatures are going to fall below freezing, a penetrating frost with the strength of the wind as well. So we could well wake up to a winter wonderland tomorrow morning in some areas, with several centimetres still falling and blowing around in those strong winds. May well have cleared away from some eastern areas, but not before it's given that covering, as I say, and there'll still be showers packing behind, a lot of cloud and that bitterly strong cold wind. We could see some coming into Northern Ireland, more tonight and through tomorrow, packing across the central lowlands of Scotland as well. Now, gradually that will start to clear away, but not before, as I say, it's given some issues. And then the winds start to ease a little in the north and the showers with pressure building. Temperatures may be perhaps a marginal higher than today, but it's very, very difficult to say the difference between both days. It will feel bitterly cold. There's very little in it. It does tend to ease, though, this easterly wind into next week. We pick up a northerly instead, so not quite as cold.